Daily microdermabrasion through the decades. How your skin's needs change. As we journey through life, our skin tells our story, experiencing changes in elasticity, moisture, and resilience with each passing decade. Hand-applied daily microdermabrasion is a gentle yet effective exfoliation technique and is easily tailored to address these evolving needs. REFRESHEN Microdermabrasion works with our skin's changing requirements as we age. In your 20s, prevention and protection. Your 20s are characterized by vibrant, resilient skin with natural elasticity and collagen production going strong. However, this is also when lifestyle factors begin leaving their mark. Primary concerns: early sun damage, breakouts, and the first signs of expression lines. Hand-applied daily microdermabrasion. Gentle exfoliation removes dead skin cells which contribute to clogged pores while stimulating cell turnover. This will establish a long-term preventative skincare result before signs of aging appear, extending your youthful look. Recommended frequency: once daily treatments maintain that natural glow and prevent buildup of environmental pollutants. This should be gentle enough so you do not experience soreness, blushing, or stinging skin after your treatment. There should be zero recovery time after your treatment. You are good to go as soon as you step out of the shower. In your 30s, early intervention. As you enter your 30s, collagen production naturally decreases, and any previous sun exposure starts to show. Primary concerns: fine lines around eyes and mouth, uneven skin tone, and post-pregnancy melasma for many women who are mothers. Hand-applied daily microdermabrasion helps. Targeted exfoliation stimulates collagen production in areas showing early signs of aging, while addressing hyperpigmentation with precise exfoliation that machines simply cannot replicate. In your 40s, preservation and renewal. The 40s bring more noticeable changes in skin elasticity and texture. Primary concerns: deeper expression lines, decreasing firmness, and more visually pronounced sun damage. How hand-applied microdermabrasion helps. Your human touch allows for varying pressure and technique to address differing skin thickness and sensitivities across the face, something machine systems have not been able to replicate. This customization becomes decisive as we age and as our skin becomes more delicate. In your 50s and beyond, gentle rejuvenation. Mature skin requires thoughtful, nurturing treatment. Primary concerns: thinning skin, dryness, loss of elasticity, and age spots. Hand-applied microdermabrasion provides effective exfoliation without the harsh abrasion that machines notoriously cause. The personalized approach ensures comfort while still delivering results. Successful microdermabrasion as we age is a matter of reliable treatment inertia, not the force of desperation when you first notice crow's feet. Recommended frequency. Restating this: once a day, everyday treatments with gentle application and additional hydration protocols. We recommend only super premium microdermabrasion creams and post-treatment moisturizers. The hand-applied difference. Unlike machine-applied treatments, hand-applied microdermabrasion allows for real-time technique adjustments based on your skin's feedback. Only you can feel your skin's changing resistance, warmth, and textural changes so you can adapt your technique. If you got too much sun yesterday, you just lighten your treatment pressure and shorten the time a bit, miss a new pimple or mosquito bite, and still get a good treatment. You will know how much to adapt with a bit of experience. No one will care for your face better than you will. This human-centered method provides effective exfoliation while honoring your skin's unique needs at every age and circumstance. The result is a customized experience that evolves with you through life's decades and will reveal your skin's natural radiance through every stage of life. Ready to experience the personalized touch of hand-applied microdermabrasion tailored to you? Try REFRESHEN Microdermabrasion and see for yourself.